Good evening. We're going to go ahead and get this video ran for the 569 9.8. All right, guys. Thanks for the quick fill. Just under, I think, an hour and a half. Wish people would stop PMing me when I'm trying to run a fucking video. All right, guys. We are going to go live here. Just going to show you really quick. We got our list set up here. 20 names. We're all set up here. And we are live. Here's our list. 20 names. Mini Spider-Man 569 variant 9.8 CGC. We have a timestamp of 1025 here, 1025 here. And like I said, we're live. All right, we're going to roll the dice, 3 dice. And our winner is going to be spot number 1, Jeff Mazza. He closed it and he won. Congratulations, Jeff. Shoot me your address. I'll send this book out as soon as possible. We're going to go ahead and we're going to verify that. There's your verification code, ICUFBJ, 10:26 p.m., 10:26 p.m. We are done. Congrats. All right, guys. Have a good evening. Thanks.